people, how are you doing? I hope you're all fine and keeping safe. If you're new here, my name is Marsha. I'm a YouTuber based in Nairobi, Kenya. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, thank you for always coming back and clicking on my videos. I really do appreciate your support from the beginning till this far. So as you can already tell, I'm in really good spirits today because I've gotten a package that I want to open with you, that I want to unbox with you. And I'm pretty excited because this is something that I've been wanting for some time, and also the method through which I got it. This product that I have that I want to unbox with you guys, I've gotten it through a charmer. If you want to know more about charmers, please go back to my video where I did a haul for the hot pots, and then you're going to know more about charmers and how they operate. So, you know, it's one thing to take your money and go to a store and buy a product, and it's another thing playing it in a charmer. I think people, women and the men who play charmers can understand my feeling. And it's good that you've been team playing with others, and now it is your chance to get your product. You feel like you are so disciplined, you've been giving your contributions, you are just a good person because you can even coexist with others. And now my product is here, so let me not waste any more time. Let us unbox together with you, and then you're going to tell me more about it. I'm going to give my honest review of how I like the product, and if it's what I ordered, or if it's those memes that what you order versus what you get. So let me unbox with you first, and then you're going to see what it is. So just from picking it, if you've already seen that short video at the beginning, that was me going for it from the place where it was sent, and now it is heavy. Let me just stand up a bit. Ta-da-da! Here it is. So as you can see, here is the package. I don't know if my number is being seen. It should not. This is my... Okay, let me just unbox. I know how I'll hide that number. Packaging is pretty good, but the product was heavy. I almost doubted if this is what I ordered. I mean, you guys, I'm telling you, you don't know how it feels. It feels so nice playing a charm, and then it gets to your turn. Should I really tear the box sana? I should just do it kidogo. Hiya. Here it is. 11 pieces Bosch granite cookware set, made in Germany. Okay? But then I've seen some reviews about this one. There are those people who are saying that the cookware set is very nice, and then there are those who are saying it peels. And so I've come to understand that the one that peels is fake, and the one that doesn't is the original one. So if you want to get the original one, you specify that it should be made in Germany. As you can see on the top, 100% quality guarantee. Okay, I already told my supplier if it is not what I ordered, he's definitely getting his package back. I don't know, jokes. I feel like I should not remove it from this box kabisa, because I'll not be using them immediately. Not that the way we're growing up and then they're just specific utensils for again, you know. I just don't want to keep them in the kitchen. There are already other sufurias there, and I don't want all of them to be used at once. Maybe when those ones get tired, I cannot start using these ones. Not get tired, when they get old and worn out, which they don't do easily. And then maybe I can even gift someone. Okay, so let me just try and open them slowly. Ish, you guys, it's the packaging for me. Looks so nice. Hey, this is one lid. See, the lids usually come like this, and then you're the one to connect. Don't know, for those who have bought the utensils before, you already know. I like pressing this paper. Do you like that? I find that so soothing. And then there's this one to protect the sufurias. And then voila! Oh my god! I'm going to be screaming right now because this is something that I have really wanted.
Wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now.
Kamwiko. This is a cooking spoon. So let me just keep my box here because I'm going to return them there. So here we go. Hey, this is a very big sufuria. Now this one is the one that I'm going to be using to cook pilau when I have a lot of guests. I think the camera doesn't do it enough justice. But then I noticed that my camera makes the images look smaller than they actually are, because someone was asking me after seeing my homemaking video at how do I fit on that bed with Bazu. Are you guys serious? And then I asked the person why, and then they're like, that bed is a 3x6. Then it's just like, are you guys really serious? Can me and Bazu actually sleep on a 3x6 bed? At least you could have said 4x6. 3x6 is actually a very small bed. If you sleep even alone, you are not comfortable. You can't just stand the way you want. So no, it's the camera. It makes the images look smaller than they actually are. Next object. Okay. Now that is the second sufuria. So this is a pan. It is a deep pan, and here is the handle that I'm supposed to connect. I'm going to try, and if it doesn't, maybe I should just wait for Bazu to come and connect, because there are screws involved here. And why should I struggle when I have a man? But it's something that I can do on my own. I don't know, but I just don't want to try and then something because you get. If you want to know by the a good cooking pot, when it's of this type, you can knock it. You see, there's that one that you'll be knocking and you'll be feeling like it sounds like aluminium, amabati, and then you just know that is not the one. But if you need this one, you can feel that it is heavy. Yes, it has the sound of the sufuria, but it doesn't sound like a sufuria kabisa. It is heavy. You get. So which one should I unwrap for you guys to see? Which one? See how it's just the packaging that really makes me so happy. I'm gonna lie to you. These things are piga in michenga. You don't use a metallic cooking spoon, it's going to destroy it. So you use these. This is so beautiful. I'm just so happy because these are the things that I just manifest. I decided I want to have this thing. I start working towards it. I tell God to guide me, and then they just happen. So makes me so happy. So don't feel bad for me. Don't be there feeling jealous. Okay guys, I've tried connecting imekata, so let me just wait for Bazu to come, or I'll just try to watch it up on YouTube, and then once I've connected I'll show you the final product. Right, sawa. Ati unapika nini?
Ugali.
Unapika ugali?
Nyama.
Aish, unapika ugali na nyama? Unapikia nani?
Mfupa.
Nyama ya mfupa? Kilian, unanipikia? Hebu nichemshie.
Nakuchemsha ya dadi.
Nichemshie mimi na dadi. Asante mtoto wangu.
Nakuchemshia. Aya. Nakuchemsha udongo. Na mfupa.
Nichemshie ya mfupa. Unajua napenda ya mfupa.
Nakuchemshia. Dai. Dai. Ma.
Hebu niletee remote, nipe hiyo remote. This is now the final part where I have assembled all the pieces together, and yo, it's looking dope, amazing. Let me show you. You see the pan is deep. This width is for the pan. And then here, I don't know if you'll see it correctly. Made in Germany. Sufuria inaanguka. That is Gillian. Nasema sufuria imeanguka. Sufuria ni ya kufanyia nini baby? Ya Gillian. Ya kufanyia nini? I'm grateful. Sasa kuna uchafu hapa yenye sasa nabidi. Usitoe nje.
Inakaa smart. Usitoe. Unasema inakaa smart.
Nimeziconnect hata sijakuwa tight. Nimeshinda kukaza.
The smallest. The best in the world.
The best.
Na yeye sasa kubwa nayo ni kubwa.
Ni kama lita 10.
Usitoe hiyo Gillian, usitoe hiyo. Beauty now is gonna. That's really nice. Hii ni kubwa man. Ya tuseme wale
labda nikiwa na wageni wengi.
Rudisha hiyo. Hey baby. Nasikia aje?
Poa.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations for your great efforts, yeah?
Thank you.
Nasemanga baraka za mwanamke unaziangalia na jikoni yake. So you should know you're blessed.
Now I want a big kitchen.
Utapata. Unaona Mungu akianza kukupatia
vitu za kuweka ndani.
Bana. Unajua Mungu akaanza kukupatia before kupe gari, kupea baiskeli, anakupea pikipiki, unaenda tu.
Gari na pikipiki zinaingiliana wapi?
Si hata nakupea tu pole pole. Sasa umepata vyombo. So kitchen kubwa is coming.
Soon inshallah.
Yeah.